Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Epic Games not launching problem or Epic Games launcher not loading or not opening or keep shutting down. So if your Epic Games launcher is keep shutting down or not launching, then here follow the fixes. First of all, close the Epic Games launcher. Then from the system tray, click on this arrow icon, right click on Epic Games and then click on exit. Make sure to close the Epic Games from here as well. Then right click on Epic Games launcher desktop icon and then select run as administrator. This will resolve the issue. Now if you do not want to repeat this process again and again, then right click on Epic Games launcher icon and then select open file location and then right click on Epic Games launcher exe file and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Hit apply, OK, and then you can launch the Epic Games launcher and your problem will be fixed. So by this way you can easily fix Epic Games launcher not launching problem or Epic Games launcher not working, keep stopping or keep shutting down automatically on Windows PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.